Today in this video we are going to show you the top 10 most beautiful dog breeds in the world. But before starting a video, if you are new at my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get latest videos. Number 1. Videos. Golden Retriever. Golden Retrievers top our list with their luscious golden coats and friendly expressions. Known for their intelligence and gentle nature, these dogs radiate an inner beauty that shines through. Number 2. Siberian Husky. The Siberian Husky's enchanting features, including piercing blue or multicolored eyes and a thick, plush coat, make them an undeniable beauty. Originally bred as sled dogs, Huskies exude strength, grace, and an adventurous spirit. Number 3. Labrador Retriever. Labrador Retrievers are adored for their friendly nature, versatility, and undeniable charm. With their shiny coats, expressive eyes, and joyful demeanor, they effortlessly capture our hearts. Number 4. German Shepherd. German Shepherds exhibit both strength and beauty, with their confident stance and noble expression. Renowned for their intelligence, loyalty, and protective nature, these dogs possess a striking appearance. Number 5. Samoyed. The Samoyed, with its radiant smile and snow-white double coat, is a true vision of beauty. Originally bred to herd reindeer, these fluffy dogs have an enchanting presence. Number 6. Australian Shepherd. Australian Shepherds captivate with their stunning coat patterns and striking eyes. Known for their agility and intelligence, these dogs possess a harmonious blend of beauty and athleticism. Number 7. Poodle. Poodles are synonymous with elegance and grace. Their unique curly or corded coats, combined with their refined features, create a distinct and sophisticated appearance. Number 8. Saluki. The Saluki, often referred to as the royal dog of Egypt, is a breed of ancient grace and beauty. Known for their slim, sleek bodies and noble expressions, Salukas possess an inherent elegance that is hard to match. Number 9. Irish Setter. Irish Setters mesmerize with their rich mahogany coats and exuberant personalities. These dogs are known for their boundless energy, playfulness, and distinctive beauty. Number 10. Weimaraner. Weimaraners possess a captivating beauty with their sleek and muscular bodies. Known for their striking silver-gray coats and piercing amber or blue-gray eyes, these dogs have an unmistakable allure.